Hey, Mad Money fans, check the bottom of your screen for an exclusive offer. Next.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. Remember, it's about rolling the tape above. It was temporary when you play the sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Craig in Kansas. Craig.
Yeah, Jim, the stock I'm calling about has gone down 7 days in a row, and the stock is Dollar General.
Yeah, I think there are a lot of people who feel like that the dollar stores just did not deliver great numbers and are not offering great value. It is incredible. Look, I'm never going to tell someone to sell stock that's down 7 straight days, but I have to tell you, that is the negative thesis, and it's got great resonance. Let's go to Wayne in Maryland. Wayne.
Oh, yeah, Jim, love the show.
Hey, thank you so much, Wayne.
Got a buy, hold, sell question. Good company I've bought for the long haul, run into a lot of headwinds. Paycom.
Okay, the problem with Paycom, it is one of those fintech companies. The fintechs are going out of fashion. The only ones that are really working, that is both, it's enterprise software and it's also employment. I could look at maybe Workday, but that's too expensive too in some degree. So I just think that is not a place to be. Fintech involved with employment, not a place to be. Bill in Massachusetts. Bill.
Hey, Jim, I got a bad to the bone booyah for you.
All right, let's hear it.
I'm a retired firefighter. Did 36 years in the job, and I'm retired now. And quite a few retired brothers and sisters using a little cannabis for their aches and pains and some for their PTSD. U.S. government's taking down some of the criminality of it all. Is it a good time to stash some cash in Tilray?
Well, I'll tell you, first, it's great that you've been a firefighter for all those years, and we're all grateful for your service. Tilray is too dangerous. It is a spec stock that is losing money, and we don't recommend stocks that are losing money on Mad Money. Pretty simple rule. Mark in New York. Mark.
Hey, Jim, big fan.
Thank you, Mark. What's going on?
I bought Fastly back in late 2000 when it was over 100.
Right.
Since then, they've changed leadership. I was wondering if you think it could be time to pick up some more.
They haven't pivoted to profitability, and I'm not going to recommend a stock that hasn't pivoted to profitability that has a very high price to sales analysis. Too high. Let's go to Sean in California. Sean.
Hey, how's it going, Jim?
I'm doing well. How about you, Sean?
Doing great. Calling to see if you have an update for me on a stock that had some insider buying from the chairman today, Supergroup.
Supergroup is, I am stymied by Supergroup because I feel like it's got so many good things going for it, but I think that people just say, listen, I'd rather own DraftKings, and that's really all when all's said and done, that's what people want. That's nothing I can do about it. Let's go to Rory in Louisiana. Rory.
Booyah, Jim Cramer.
Well, booyah back, Rory. What's going on?
I built a position in a communications company off of a interview I saw back in March of 2019 on your show. Mm-hmm. And I built a good position in it, and I've been pulling the profits out, and I've got over 3 times my investment pulled out of it. And my question, since it's down 25% from its 52 weeks high, my question is, are the company's recently acquired contracts and the upgrade from Deutsche Bank enough of a catalyst for me to let Iridium Communications continue to run, or should I pull it out?
I actually think that Iridium's doing quite well. A piece of research hit my desk today, saying that Iridium's doing incredibly well. I scanned it. I said, geez, I'm surprised. I remember when it was much lower, just like you. Congratulations, but it's looking good. Andrew in Florida. Andrew.
Jim, a big booyah from the Sunshine State.
Oh, fantastic, Andrew. Thank you for calling. What can I do for you?
Hey, right now I'm heavily positioned in a blue chip pharmaceutical. I had been happy with Pfizer for a little while, but obviously it's been underperforming, not living up to any expectations. What I've done over the last couple of quarters, for the first time, I started taking some dividends because they do pay a pretty nice dividend. I mean, should I hold it? Should I just hold on the stock, keep on taking the cash? Should I sell a little bit? Should I keep it? Jimmy, give me some ideas. Give me some thoughts.
Pfizer yields 5%. I can't tell you to sell it here. I just can't. It's just a very good company. They have a lot of optionality. I'm not going to tell you to sell Pfizer. Not down here. Let's go to Sean in Ohio. Sean.
Hey, big booyah to you, Jim.
Thank you, Sean. What's going on?
They're good. Calling you from the University of Dayton and the Hanley Sustainability Fund.
Okay.
And I'd like to run by this company, Atcore. They're a mid-sized industrials name with really strong cash flows and good financials, and I'd like to hear your thoughts on them.
I do not know Atcor. I'm going to have to come back, do some homework on that one. It looks like interesting, but that's not enough to recommend it. We'll have to do some checking. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.